Here we go, another one for y'all. This time, this guy's getting the cab lights and some window tint done. We're gonna tint the windows with our charcoal line. So you can see we got everything already laid out, guys. Come on, man, we're doing these all day. All day. I wish I can get at least 1 or 2 a day. This guy can do one and I can do one. We'll knock them out all day, baby. Check it out. This guy, though, he's coming in. If you guys are looking to tint your truck and get the cab lights done at the same time, holla at me. I give you a combo deal. We're gonna go with the charcoal line, which is my color stapled film. Right now we got everything open, but we're gonna be closing all the doors once we start the tint process. We already getting the cutouts done. Junior over here. Junior's doing all the cutout over here. Junior. Junior, where's his twin at? Oh, there's a twin over here. I got twins working over here. The twins be helping out. The twins are helping us out over here. Anyways, let's get to it. The last thing here that we're gonna do on these cab lights, show the cab lights if you can just from out there. Cab light. Check it out. Last thing you need is this wiring harness right here. An original piece. We don't splice into any of your car harness. All it is a simple plug and play. Check it out. These are my cab lights already here. I don't know if you can see in here pretty good, but I hope so. They just go clipped on. Put the red tap on to lock it in, and good. And then you see these holes in here? That's where these tabs are gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cab light. Cab light right here. Clip in, tap it in, clip it on, and you continue until you get to this point here. Then that's gonna connect from there. Don't forget to plug in your hose for the sunroof. Plug in that one. Your last connection is gonna be this last cab light. Pop. As you can see, I didn't splice into any wiring. So go out there and check it out. I'm gonna light them up. Because of that connection, that filter there. Ready? Bam. There you go. Hit me up for all your cab light needs. Check out the truck. Go all the way back, get that grill. Zoom out. Alrighty folks, check it out. We just wrapped up the 2025-26 GMC Denali. What a difference, guys. I can't, especially on the white. I like the way the white trucks look with the cab lights. It just gives it a little different look. Anyways, we did the cab lights. We did the window tint, 55 on top of the windshield. 55 on that windshield. Gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so you can see. We just finished it, so we're gonna do a little touch up right now in a little bit, let the sun hit it. .5% on the two fronts, 5% on the rears on top of that original factory shade. Overall, looks really good. I like the windows being blacked out. Gives it that nice privacy and feels good. But look how nice those cab lights came out though too. Oh man, they are lovely. So contact us guys if you're interested. We've done just about anything on this truck. So we've replaced the emblems, we've replaced the grills, we've wrapped the bumpers, we've done chrome deletes, we've replaced the window trims, we've added the systems, we've added power steps, just about anything. This is how the inside looks with that 55. It's completely clear. Let me lower this here. It looks really clear. So with this film, it really gives you that nice visibility. It is a good quality film. The sides, we did the 5%. You can see it looks nice and clear. The back's got the 5% as well. Let me light them up and let me show you guys what it looks like out here. We always put one of these on the trucks as well, or the cars. We did a little courtesy vacuum and cleaned it all up for him. So let me show you guys that 55 with them cab lights on. Let us know guys if we can help. Over and out.